हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्पीक स्मार्ट लर्नर्स। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हो या फिर अभी तक चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से कर दो। In this video, I am delighted to share a collection of essential daily use sentences in English with their corresponding Hindi translation. These sentences play a pivotal role in our everyday lives and interactions. Whether you aim to enhance your communication abilities or simply navigate daily conversation with ease, familiarizing yourself with these phrases is highly beneficial. Write your name. Write your name. अपना नाम लिखो. Write your name. Don't give up. Don't give up. हार मत मानो. Follow your dreams. Follow your dreams. अपने सपनों का पालन करो. Follow your dreams. Share your toys. Share your toys. अपने खिलौने बांटो. Share your toys. Be on time. Be on time. समय पर पहुंचो. Be on time. Stay calm please. Stay calm please. कृपया शांत रहो. Stay calm please. Turn on the lights. Turn on the lights. बिजली चलाओ. Turn on the lights. Respect nature. Respect nature. प्राकृतिक चीजों का सम्मान करो. Respect nature. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal. अपने भोजन का आनंद लो. Enjoy your meal. Stand in line. लाइन में खड़े रहो. Stand in line. Keep quiet please. Keep quiet please. कृपया चुप रहो. Keep quiet please. Share your feelings. Share your feelings. अपनी भावनाओं को साझा करो. Share your feelings. Don't argue with me. Don't argue with me. मेरे साथ झगड़ा मत करो. Don't argue with me. Be kind to animals. पक्षियों के प्रति दयालु बनो. Be kind to animals. Help each other. Help each other. एक दूसरे की मदद करो. Help each other. Save your money. Save your money. अपने पैसे बचाओ. Save your money. Respect your teacher. Respect your teacher. अपने शिक्षक का सम्मान करो. Respect your teacher. Follow the rules. Follow the rules. नियमों का पालन करो. Follow the rules. Stay positive. Stay positive. सकारात्मक रहो. Stay positive. Stay positive. Alright, that's for today's video. For now, keep practicing, keep learning, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more lessons, and hit the notification bell so you will stay updated. Until next time, happy learning and expressing.